Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a juice purse. You'll only need 13 juice pouches and a sewing machine. Before we do anything, first you need to cut the bottom of the juice and clean it out really good and dry it out. Now let's get into the video. This is how they look cut open and cleaned out. Get 3 juice pouches to be used for the handles and then cut them in half. Each handle will have 3 halves. Then you just want to overlap them however you want to do it, but this is how I do it. And then you just sew. And please remember to backstitch when you're sewing. This is how they look sewn. Now we're going to fold them in so they can have like a cleaner look to it. I just don't see any point in folding all the way then sewing all the way. You can just fold, sew, fold, sew. I feel like that doesn't waste a lot of time. I'm doing both sides, by the way. I did the open side first and I did the closed side. And this is what they look like. I really should have folded each side in a little more, but it's okay. I'll do it next time. Now I'm doing the side pieces, like the main pieces that you will see. Now we're just sewing 3 juice pouches together for each side panel. There are 2 side panels, so you need 6 altogether. Now it's time to add the bottom piece. However long the side panel is, that's how long the bottom piece should be. I was just double checking right here. Now I'm just going to sew. Now we're going to add our handles to our side panels. You really can place it however you want. It's your design. You do it however you see fit. Just make sure you don't sew it like this because that's really ugly. Make sure it's pretty sides, okay? Make sure we can see pretty sides. And then the same for the other one. And then we're on to the next step. Remember, this is the bottom piece that I just touched. Now we're going to take our last 2 pouches and we're just going to sew them like this. Make sure the silvers are touching and these are the sides, and we're just going to sew it down. Now you should have something like this. Now it's time to add our big side panels to the rest of the purse. One side panel should attach to one of the little side panels. Sew a straight line, but don't sew all the way down. Just leave some room down here. And then for the next side panel, you just want to do the same exact thing, but to the other little side panel. Not the same side panel, the different little side panel. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. You can rewatch it if you need to rewatch it. But yeah, just let me know if you have any questions because I will answer them. This was a bit stressful because if y'all are following along, this is what y'all should have so far. It looks like, no, it don't look like a purse now. Now it looks like a purse. So just trust the process. We almost there, y'all. Now you just want to connect the sides and you want to sew all the way down this time to this side. And then of course, we're going to do the same to the other side. This was actually the hardest part because it just kept sliding and stuff. I eventually had put a pin in it, but that still didn't even work. I was like, forget it. I'm going to just do whatever I need to do. And that's why I put the pin in, and then I just tried again. It was a bit stressful, but I got it done, so it's okay. This is the last step. If you don't want to add a bow to it, you just want to fold the bottom part and just sew it. That's literally it. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you guys like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I want YouTube to push me out there so more people can see me and view my videos. Again, thank you so much. Bye.